In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear your payments to deposits, also known as undeposited funds, in QuickBooks Online. This is a simple process, but it's an important one because it helps make sure your records match the deposits that actually go into your bank account. If you've received customer payments and they're sitting in undeposited funds, this is how you move them into a bank deposit properly inside QuickBooks Online. To get started, go to the top left corner of your screen and click the plus icon. This opens the Create menu where you can access different transaction types. From there, select Bank Deposit. This will take you to the Deposit screen, which is where you'll combine and clear those undeposited payments. Once you're on the Bank Deposit page, choose the account the deposit is going into. Make sure this is the correct bank account so your books stay accurate. Then enter the date for the deposit. It's best to use the same date that the money was actually deposited into the bank, especially if you're trying to keep everything aligned for reconciliation later. After that, look for the section that lists your undeposited funds. These are the payments that have already been recorded in QuickBooks but haven't yet been grouped into a deposit. Check the boxes for all the payments you want to include. Be careful here and make sure you're selecting the correct items, especially if the amounts need to match a real-life bank deposit. If your bank combined multiple customer payments into one deposit, this is the step where you recreate that exact grouping in QuickBooks. Once you've selected all the right payments, review the total to make sure everything looks correct. This quick review can help prevent mistakes and save time later when you're reconciling your account. When everything is ready, click Save. And that's it. Your undeposited funds have now been cleared and turned into a bank deposit in QuickBooks Online. This is a good habit to follow whenever you receive payments separately but deposit them together into the bank. It keeps your records clean, your bank activity easier to match, and your bookkeeping much more accurate. That's all for this video.